Hey guys, Crypto Charts Joe here with another quick tip video to hopefully help you, improve your charting skills and ability. And today we're going to look at the basic trend line, but in this scenario, we're going to look at the three hit, three touch scenario here, which generally has pretty good odds, pretty good probability of bouncing on the third hit. And then on the fourth or fifth, then your odds increase, probability increases. You're going to break that trend line, and the trend will go in the opposite direction. So what we're looking at and where you draw your trend line is off these low pivots if you're in an uptrend, okay? And then if you're in a downtrend, you'll put it on your high pivots there. And pivot basically just a 180. Generally a green, a red or a number of red candles, and then you'll get a green candle and then a 180 pivot to the upside. So yeah, that's what we call a pivot, and you're looking for three of those. And then the second one, again, high odds, high probability, because that's all we have to work with are odds and probabilities, and you try to get as many factors as you can on your side to improve those odds and probabilities and percentages of the trend turning and the asset then going in the direction that you believe it will be. So on the second one, a lot of times is a confirmation of a trend reversal. So you had the first one here as you're coming down, up, came down, and then here we go. And then the third one, of course, this hasn't come to pass yet because we're using a current daily chart on the Dixie US dollar currency index. So we could, quite honestly break down and through that and come on down lower to the 50 simple day moving average which would be right in here. But for right now, we're looking at a possibility of a reversal here. But of course, we got to get a green candle, confirmation candle to confirm that, like back here, okay? And then some people ask, well, does it work on bigger markets, And we look at the Dow going back, and that's another thing. Markets never crash. They always give you, hints, factors, potential, cracks in the foundation, so to speak, that they're going to come down. And here we have a, 1, 2, 3, and then the rest of the story. Okay, so that's kind of in a nutshell how you can use this little technique. And even on a 2-minute chart, 4-minute chart for day trading, you can use it for pretty good odds probability. But you need to wait for confirmation and then scale in on your investment or trade or swing trade or what have you. But anyway, we appreciate you watching, and if you'd like to know more, check out our Patreon site.